I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hi, welcome to my channel, MIRAFLOR in the house. Today we're gonna talk about lettuce. Earlier I showed you how the basic of hydroponics. So some people ask, how did I plant the lettuce? How to what are the care that you should need so you'll have this gorgeous lettuce like this one. It's gonna harvest. I'll show you how do I harvest my lettuce. So I'm just harvesting that salad bowl. I'm just harvesting on the side. So look, because this one is really getting big already. So let's just enjoy harvesting for now. I'm gonna make some salad on this ones. So and then I'll show you how do I plant my seeds. And I also show you like the store-bought lettuce. I will leave some leaf up top like this one, and it will grow some more. Or you can cut the whole thing. So like I'm telling you, did you see between these two? This one was really good, and this one is a bit leggy, right? Your plant will tend to become, your veggies will tend to become leggy. Once they started to grow, they will stretch so much. They call it leggy. Parang malaki yung sanga niya kasi gusto niya ng light. Like, naghahanap sila ng light, so kaya humahaba. So, dapat po iwasan natin yon. Once na humaba na yung lettuce natin, once na nag-sprout na siya, make sure na may light na siya katulad nung light na nandito sa light ko. Dapat ilagay nyo na po doon para hindi siya maging leggy katulad nito. Like this one. See, it didn't grow much because as you can see, like look at the roots. It's not much because it becomes leggy, becomes so thin inside kasi nga naghahanap siya ng sun or ng liwanag, so hahaba yung legs niya, hindi na siya magiging healthy. So dapat po iwasan natin yun. The moment na yun, napabayaan ko yan so the moment na lumabas na siya, nag-sprout na siya, make sure ilagay nyo na siya sa ilalim ng light. Ito gagawin ko dito, I'm just gonna cut off the whole thing. Hopefully, well, I'm gonna experiment, hopefully, like I did that there. Ano naman siyang kainin, kasi ano naman siya, good leaf. Yun lang leggy. So, you can still make that as salad. So, ikakat ko na lang yung mga leggy. And hopefully, they correct themselves. Maayos pa. If not, I'm gonna plant some more anyway. So, I'll show you how to plant them. So, these are some of the I'm gonna show you. Ito naman, ano siya, store-bought siya. As you could see, it's like growing a lot. Do not throw. After you bought it, just cut it, like 2 inches. And see, it's starting to have, mga roots na, mga ugat. So, pagka nagka-ugat na siya, use the hydroponic solution para mag-grow. So, yan. Dami mga kinat ko lang yan from store-bought. Ayan, nag-roots na siya. I hope you could see. Nag-roots na siya dito. Mga store-bought, ano lang siya. Tapos, container, nilagyan ko ng hydroponics. There you go. So, I have them. And this one, I'm trying yogurt on yogurt. Let's see how it works. Because this one, it's already non-transparent, so I don't really need to wrap it, right? So this one, ilagay ko na siya sa light ko. There you go. Now I'm gonna show you how, from the start to finish, how do I plant my lettuce. So normally, I will just let them grow. Let them grow. Go-grow pa po yan ng maraming beses. Katulad nito, ang ganda-ganda. Nasa grow light ko siya. So, haba pa yan, lalagoan na dami pa. So, ang kagandahan ng gantong settings, kung kailan mo siya gusto, kasi di ba pag bumili ka ng store-bought, nasisira lang kasi hindi mo naman magagamit lahat. So, ang kagandahan ng ganito, fresh na siya, tapos kung kailan mo kailangan, dun mo lang siya i-snip. Katulad ngayon, kay gusto ko magsalad. So, ni-snip-snip ko na siya. Meron pa rin akong sa labas, which is nasa soil. But this one, I just wanna show you how to grow them using hydroponics. So, this. So, ito po, I have lots of seeds. I'm just gonna show you some of the few seeds. I'm never gonna run out of lettuce because I have some collections. So, I have Giant Caesar, Jumbo Grand Rapids, this one. I have basils, spinach, parsley, lettuce. I have a lot more, a whole pack of lettuce as well. Different kinds of seeds. Because I'm gonna be doing it from seeds, so, and then it grows like this spinach. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how do I start from seeds, and we'll go from there. This has a hole. That's yogurt container, which I put hole in it, which I'm gonna show you. Then you'll just put the seeds. So let's try this Jumbo Grand Rapids. So I'll show you the seeds. You'll just put like 2 seeds in here. Put 2 seeds there. 2 in there. And just cover it. Then we'll wait. Just put it beside my grow light and we'll wait till it grows. This one has soil. So we're gonna try butter crunch. So I'm gonna try butter crunch lettuce. It's super tiny. So you're just gonna put it there. I put 2 so that if one didn't germinate, at least there's another option, right, to grow. So just pat it a little bit and just wait. I'll show you when they grow. Look at it after a few days. It's growing. I will never gonna run out of lettuce. This is just here beside me, right? I got thousands of this, I think, because it's in one packet. There's like so much. I believe I bought it for $2. And I have lots. There you have it. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. How to have a limited supplies of lettuce. And you just kind of like snip whenever you need it, and it's so convenient, and it's healthy as well. And if you have any comment down below, please don't forget to write down the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel down below, and smash the notification bell so you won't miss anything that I've uploaded. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye. And please don't forget to watch my other videos right down here. Bye.
I just wanna be happy, happy.